सीएम के घर में, जब सीएम खुद बैठे हुए हैं उनके अपने घर में और उनके राइट हैंड माना जाता है जो वैभव कुमार, विभव कुमार, वो जाकर के उनके पार्टी के एक महिला सदस्य को और राज्यसभा मेंबर को और कल परसों तक जो महिला आयोग के हेड थी वो महिला को चल रही है, उनको कुछ उसके बारे में चिंता नहीं है और उसके ऊपर बयान देने का भी आत्मविश्वास जिनका नहीं है, ऐसे सीएम केजरीवाल पूरे सामने आकर के क्षमा मांगना चाहिए।
दिल्ली में शराब घोटाला, दिल्ली में दवाई घोटाला, दिल्ली में शिक्षा घोटाला, दिल्ली में स्वास्थ्य घोटाला, दिल्ली में पैनिक बटन घोटाला, इन सब घोटालों में भ्रष्टाचार और पैसा घुसा हुआ है। और विभव अरविंद केजरीवाल के सहयोगी होने के साथ साथ इन सब घोटालों में उनके राजदार भी हैं। तो अपने काले कारनामे जो अरविंद केजरीवाल ने किए हैं उसके बहुत सारे राज विभव कुमार के पास हैं। तो मुझे ऐसा भी संदेह होता है कि कहीं अरविंद केजरीवाल उसको पंजाब में पनाह ना दे दें दिल्ली की पुलिस से बचाने के लिए।
देखिए, मामला अभी मैं समझता हूँ इनिशियली जांच का है, जांच के बाद ही कमेंट कर पाएंगे, पर लेकिन मैं समझता हूँ हमारे जो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के पीए हैं विभव जी बहुत अच्छे हैं। हम सबको तो बड़े प्यार से मिलते हैं। हम जब भी जाते हैं, जब भी मैसेज करते हैं कि हमें हमारे कौमी कन्वीनर को मिलना है, तो बहुत अच्छे ढंग से वो मुलाकात करवाते हैं। ऐसी कोई बात मुझे लगती नहीं। मुझे लगता है ये कोई ना कोई षड्यंत्र ना हो, पर लेकिन मैं समझता हूँ अभी जाँच जो है मुढली स्टेज पे है। सो मैं समझता हूँ कि विभव जी बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं।
पॉलिटिक्स प्ले कर रही है जी, बड़े क्लियरली कल संजय सिंह जी ने कर दिया था। जो प्रताड़ना आज देश में महिलाओं की, हमारी माताओं बहनों की हो रही है, उसके ऊपर तो वो चुप है। अब इस चीज़ को लेके सिर्फ उसका पॉलिटिकल इशू बनाते हैं। लॉ विल टेक इट्स ओन कोर्स, डोंट वरी।
Okay, all right. So we have Swati Maliwal right now. The visuals on your screen of Swati Maliwal being brought to Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence by the police. This is the probe that is underway right now. This most probably would be part of the evidence collection, of the reconstruction of what is the alleged crime. So this is part of what is being seen as the evidence collection, as the reconstruction of what it would have been at that time, the alleged scene of crime. An important part at this point where Swati Maliwal, who is the principal complainant in this particular case, who has complained against Arvind Kejriwal's suspended personal assistant, Vibhav Kumar, and alleged that she was assaulted. She was slapped multiple times. She was kicked and punched on her chest and her stomach and her pelvis, among other parts as well, repeatedly in the Chief Minister's residence. So the Delhi police now bringing Swati Maliwal, the Rajya Sabha MP, at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. And I'm being joined by my colleague Nikhil at this point. Nikhil, this evidently part of evidence gathering of the recreation of crime scene, most likely.
Yeah, this is the big piece of information and big breaking which we are showing for the viewers of Mirror now for the very first time, and Gaurav, my senior camera person, is showing the visuals. A while back, Swati Maliwal has just arrived here for the very first time after 13 May incident, and this appears like for the crime scene recreation for the Delhi police. Remember, about an hour back, there was this senior police officials who were right there inside at the residence, who arrived here a while back, and comprising the senior ranks of the SHO civil lines area. There is ACP civil lines as well, and additional DC DCP North. These are the leaders, these are the persons from the Delhi police who arrived here. But now Swati Maliwal, for the very first time, she has come here in person for the crime scene recreation. She is going to tell the Delhi police, although she has already narrated her ordeal in the written way to the Delhi police, but now in person she is going to recite as to what exactly was the timeline of the event, how the event occurred when she came here, and this is something which is going to be cross-verified by the Delhi police right here at the spot. I would again urge my camera person Gaurav to keep showing the visuals from this place, because this is something which is very much important. Right now there is additional deployment of the police personnel as well. There is security personnel from the side of the Chief Minister's security protocol also, and a while back there came a proper, a batch of the CRPF personnel as well. And we have been also made to stand inside the media enclosure. A while back we were telling you that there is thick rope which has been put up here by the Delhi police officials to make and to separate the police officials with that of the media personnel who are right here covering this event. So this is something which is currently taking place. So the big piece of information which we are reporting on the Times Now network is that a while back Swati Maliwal has arrived here in person. So the action begins now right here at the moment at the official residence of the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. We need to see, Sneha, as to for how long this entire sequence of event is going to take place, because the arrangements which have been made by the Delhi police, it appears like it is going to take longer than the usual. And now the main victim person, in this case Swati Maliwal, she has arrived here. Now we need to see as to how much help and the cooperation is going to given to the Delhi police officials in this entire case. Meanwhile, the politics have already started. The Aam Aadmi Party have taken this officially stand against Swati Maliwal. They have clearly said while doing a press conference by Atishi, another Aam Aadmi Party leader.
Allow me a second here. I will just get back to you. But allow me a second, because we are showing two sets of visuals at this point. Unfortunately, we seem to have just lost that visual. The visual of Arvind Kejriwal that you saw on your screen was the visual of him being part of the India Bloc rally. That's on your screen. On your left, you see Arvind Kejriwal and the India Bloc leaders who are present at a rally at BKC's Pataka Maidan in Mumbai. So that's where you have Arvind Kejriwal present. Rahul Gandhi will not be present, but the top leaders of India Bloc are going to be present at this rally. At the same time, you have Swati Maliwal in Delhi, the Rajya Sabha MP of Aam Aadmi Party, being brought to Arvind Kejriwal's residence in Delhi, in the capital, to recreate the alleged scene of crime. You have these optics that are out at place. Swati Maliwal being taken. These are the visuals. In fact, it's a very big moment. Remember, Aam Aadmi Party just moments ago distanced itself, does not distance itself from Swati Maliwal's allegation. In fact, launched a scathing counter against her of being a pawn, being used by the BJP and being positioned by the BJP. And just moments after that press conference, you have Arvind Kejriwal joining the rally in Mumbai at BKC's Pataka Maidan with the India Bloc, all of them present, leaders present. You can see the top leaders, including Sharad Pawar, who are present on the stage. And you have Swati Maliwal at the residence of Arvind Kejriwal for the recreation of crime. I'm being joined again by my colleague Nikhil. Nikhil, so returning to what the Delhi police will be looking at. The most important thing at this point is, of course, the recreation of crime. But the question remains in terms of recreation of crime as well. It's been at least 4 days, 3 days or 4 days since this incident happened. How are they really going to go ahead with them, even if they have a forensic team at this point? What is the usual modus operandi?
Has been posed by you, but right here at the moment there is commotion which is happening outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence. A while back, another set of the police personnel have arrived here, and it appears like that the FSL team have yet again arrived at Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and this time with a proper kit, because FSL is something they relate to the forensics department as well, and there might be a couple of things which require special equipments to carry out all the investigations. So this is the reason reason why we can see
Absolutely.
black
That's right, Nikhil.
equipment or the baggage point, so to say, which is something which is being seen on the screen of Mirror now. There are another set of persons who have arrived here. So here is a lot of commotion which is currently unfolding. A lot of action is already here. This is the reason why we are reiterating again and again that it is going to take longer than usual. This evening is going to be longer for all the people who are right here at the moment, and it appears like that the Delhi police is in all the haste to cover all the important points. Already 5 days have passed since the occurrence of this incident. There is crucial rally as well which is going to take place. The elections are on its peak and Delhi is going to vote on 25th of May. So these things also equally contribute to all of these factors. So in series of the same, what we are seeing currently are the visuals from outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence. So this is something which is currently taking place. Back to you, Stan.
All right, Nikhil. So here you have, we'll also leave you to make sense of what's happening around. Of course, it's going to be a very long time. And remember, it's not just the Delhi police. There'll be a multi-team that will be present at the Chief Minister's residence as part of the recreation of scene where Swati Maliwal has been brought in as a victim in this particular case, of course, as the complainant. As well, on the other window, you have Arvind Kejriwal, part of the India Bloc rally that's underway in Mumbai. It's time for a very short break. On the other side, we'll bring you the latest.